Many of the students will ask for me which type of analysis is best suitable for me, whether it is fundamental analysis or technical analysis. Today in this lecture we have to discuss in depth the various aspects of fundamental analysis as well as technical analysis. So let's start. First of all, technical analysis and the fundamental analysis are the two main school of thoughts when we come to analyzing the financial markets. Technical analysis look at the price movements of a security and use this data to predict future price movement. Whereas fundamental analysis is the examination of underlying forces that can affect the economy, industry and company. The goal is to derive fair market value and profit from the future price movement. On the basis of time horizon, fundamental analysis is a conservative approach who invest his fund for long-term investments. Long-term investors buy a high dividend paying stocks and hold it for many years through market fluctuations. Whereas technical analysis determine the short-term price movement of the securities. The technicians is a trader which buy or sell securities for short-term profits. The valuation of shares in the fundamental analyst is to estimate the intrinsic value and purchase them when the market price is lesser than the intrinsic value. Any investors buy the stock when the market price is less than the intrinsic value and sell them when the market price is much more higher than the intrinsic value and earns profit. Whereas technical analysts or technical traders will think something different. Technicians believe that there is no real value in the stocks. According to the stock price depend on demand and supply, which in turns governed by rational and irrational factors. Fundamental analysts use various type of tools to get a company's intrinsic value. Fundamental analysts start with a company's financial statements. A stock that trades below a company's intrinsic value is considered to be a good investment opportunity and vice versa. Whereas technical analysts typically begin their analysis with charts and historical data. The analysts focus on analyzing the stock charts itself for a hint into where the price may be headed. Fundamental analysts have a sole purpose of investing in stocks for the long-term events, whereas technical analysts have a sole function of trading and used for the short-term purpose. In fundamental analysis, financial statements are the main source of data, whereas in technical analysis, historical charts are the main source of data.